in the pre-opening rate. So the Nifty is now down 212 points. It's a sell-off across the board. So ICICI Bank, Reliance Industries, Kotak Mahindra Bank, M&M, JSW Steel. I guess profit-taking would be, the order of the day, given the kind of global mayhem that we're staring at. But let's talk about some stocks that are in the news. Samvardhana Motherson has announced its first acquisition in Japan. The company will acquire the mirror business of Ichikoh Industries in Japan. Now, this acquisition is for a sum of 5.2 billion yen. Now, the intention is to buy the automotive mirror business of Ichikoh in both Thailand and in Malaysia. And the targeted business that they're buying has a revenue of around 15.8 billion yen in the year gone by in 2021. Now, Ichikoh is the leading manufacturer of automotive mirrors in Japan, has 3 manufacturing plants in both Japan and China, and they cater to the OEM market over there. If you look at the earnings, though, it is an EBITDA positive company, but the earnings between FY19 and FY21 have sort of fallen. If you look at it, in FY21, it's gone down to about 15.8, and FY19, it was 22 billion yen. So in that case, it's a downtrending revenue, but on the EBITDA front, it's still EBITDA positive. I think the rationale behind this is Japan, as we know, is the 3rd largest automotive manufacturing hub in the world. So Samvardhana Motherson now gets an inroad into the Japanese market through this. And this is the 3rd acquisition that Samvardhana Motherson has made as part of its 5-year plan. So wanted to just get Gurmeet Chadda on board. Gurmeet, you've been tracking this stock very closely. It's not done much for investors, to be honest, over the last many years. But on this acquisition, any thoughts?
So positive. I think they're clear leaders in this space, both especially in rearview mirrors. If you see last Q1 also, they had a good revenue growth, but it was a cost pressure which got to them with the EBITDA margin almost at about 6%, which was soft. I think at some point of time, I think this, if they can improve the margin profile, also with this new reporting structure, there was a lot of complexity as far as Motherson was concerned. And that probably reflected in this stock performance. So, continues to be in our radar, but I relatively continue to like Uno Minda more over the long.
Okay, all right, Gurmeet, stay with us. We'll just we have